Aquarius. Tell me about Aquarius. Aquarius, gratitude. What are you grateful for, Aquarius? Let's explore this. Aquarius, gratitude. What are you grateful for? Three cards, thank you. Three cards. Three cards for Aquarius, gratitude. You're just grateful for everything. You're grateful for yourself, and even though saying that you are grateful is already a big step that you are taking to being actually grateful. It's listing the smaller things that you're grateful for and working upwards to the bigger things that you are grateful for. And this is a great mindset. This is a great mental state that you are entering, saying to yourself, I'm grateful for this, I'm grateful for that. And then you will start to realize, I'm actually have a lot to be grateful for. And even though it may feel silly, at the end, that is going to push the bucket to fill the bucket. These small things work your way up towards bigger things. The world. Tell me about the world.